Hello, in this video we are going to cover setting up the Eclipse IDE for Java development. I'm doing this on Windows. I've got separate videos for Linux and for Mac OS X, so feel free to check them out. And the first thing you want to do is just go to any web browser. I'm going to be using Chrome, my favorite web browser currently, and just Google Eclipse, then go to the Eclipse website. And go to here. It says get Eclipse Photon. Photon is just like the version name. It might say something different depending on when you're watching this video. If it does, that's fine. Just go to download, most likely 64-bit, and then click download again. It will download an executable. I've just cancelled it because I've already got it downloaded. And you just double click it. It's like a really simple installation process. I'm just going to show you what you have to do at the start, because I've actually already installed it. Really, there's only one option that you really need to know about, and everything after that is pretty self-explanatory. Okay, there's a few different, Eclipse environments that you can install. Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers, for C++ and web, PHP, all that stuff. All we need is the regular Java developers, this one right here. So click that. From here, you can choose an installation folder. I left it as default. I've actually got it wouldn't say Java-Photon 2 for you. It'll just say Photon. And as you can see, it already exists because I've already installed it. You would just, if you want to start menu entry, which I did, I chose not to have a desktop shortcut. Click install, and that's really it. A box might pop up asking for my permissions. Just accept that. And then, once it's installed, we will launch the Eclipse IDE. So if I do Eclipse, Java Photon. So what we're going to quickly do now is just create a project, get it set up and running. And from there, all the other videos in this series, you can use this project. So just leave the workspace at the moment as default. So the workspace is where you can just have like a bunch of, let's say, common projects, and you can just, open them up, test them, see code, all within the one Eclipse window. So it's really, really cool. And just wait for this to load. And once it's loaded, we'll create a simple Java project that you can use for all of the videos, like I said. And maximize it from here. Click create a new Java project, and then name the project. I'm just going to call it test Java. Use default location, that's fine. For the JRE, just leave that as whatever the default is. Leave everything else as default. We can just click finish from here, and now we have a project right here. So if we were to try and run this now, you're saying selection does not contain a main type. So what we need to do is go to the SRC folder, right click it, go to new, class, and here, let's name the class. I'm going to name it Sonar Systems. And there's only one other thing you want to do, everything else leave as default. You want to change this public static void main. Make sure this is selected. So that's what that error was, moaning about. It's because you need a main method in your Java application. Not 0, not 2, just one main method. And that's the main entry point. So when your Java application is run, it tries to look for the main method. So click finish. So we have this file with a class and with a main method. If we were to run this now, it ran successfully. Let's just quickly put like a little print in here. I'm going to cover this in a separate tutorial, but just quickly, just to make sure it's all working, println, and I'm going to say hello world. So now if I click run, as you can see, the console's popped up and it says hello world. So that's it. We have a Java project set up in the Eclipse IDE on Windows. Like I said at the start of the video, if you want to use it on Mac or on Linux, feel free to check out the setup videos for that. And we've also got a video showing you how you can use Java just online, test online, which is really, really cool. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.